Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix no internet error on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So how to fix in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So let's start the video. So guys, open your file explorer and after that click here this PC and right click on it and click here show more option and select here manage option. Okay. And after that guys, click here device manager option and click here network adapter option. Okay. Click on it and expand it and you can see here your network adapter is displayed here. Right click on it and click here update driver. Okay, select this second option and select here let me pick from a list and select your adapter here. Okay, this is your network adapter card. You can see here your adapter will updated here. Okay, and after that guys, close this window and close this window. Now we are going for next method. Set your date and time. Okay. Set your Windows date and time properly. Select here your time zone according your country and select here this option off and on. Okay. And click here sync now option. So guys, your date or time should be proper here. Okay. Now we are going for third method. Click here start button and after that click here settings option. After that guys, click here start button and click here device manager option. And after that guys, select here network adapter. Select your network adapter and click here uninstall option and click here uninstall. Your network adapter will uninstall here. After that guys, click here this action option and click here scan for hardware changes option. Click here. You can see here your network adapter will reinstall here. And after that guys, click here start button and click here run and type here ncpa.cpl same as it is. Okay, and click here OK button. And after that guys, select your adapter, click here properties and select here internet protocol version 4 properties. So guys, if you enter any IP, select this first option, automatic, and click here OK. Okay, there are no any setting here. These are reset. Okay, click on OK and click on close button. So guys, after that, click here this network again and click here status option and click here details. Okay, and select your IP. Okay, note down it. This is your IP address. Okay, note down it and click here properties and after that guys, click here version 4 properties and enter your IP 192.168 and after that change any IP. Okay, enter here different IP, same range but different last digit and enter 888 And after that guys, we are change only this option. Okay, 223. Click here OK button, and after that click close. So you can see here network will connected. Close this window, and after that guys, launch any browser and check your internet working or not. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.